For today, I will be teaching you how to play Hindi Na Nga by this band. So let's get started. So first is the intro chords. So intro chords, ang unang chord ay G. Then next is D sustain. And next is E minor. Then C at 9. Again, G. Next is D sustain. The next is E minor. Then C at 9. So this is the intro. Then next is verse. So verse chords is just the same with the intro chords. So G, then D sustain, then E minor, and C at 9. So same lang yung chords. So next is the refrain chords. So refrain chords, first chord is E minor. Then next is D sustain. C at 9. Then balik ulit sa D sustain. So last part ng verse. Refrain. The next is yung chorus. Same lang ang chords sa intro at sa verse. So G, D sustain, then E minor, then C at 9. Pero sa chorus, pagkatapos ng G, sa D part, D sustain part, we're going to close this chord. So ganito. C at 9. Again. E minor. C at 9. Then pagkatapos ng chorus ay verse na naman, so the same lang yung chords or yung chord pattern. G, sustain, E minor, then C at 9. Pabalik-balik lang yung chord pattern na G, then D sustain, then Eagle minor, then C at 9 until matapos yung kanta. Okay? Ang importante lang ito ay yung first part ng chorus, yung G, then stop, then E minor, C at 9. Then last part ng kanta ay babalik sa first verse. So first line ng first verse or verse 1. stay, then E minor, and C at 9. So this will be the last chord of the song, C at 9. So that's the whole song. So I hope this video helped you, and see you next time.